Azan, last class, which principal you have subject, which topic we are doing? Azan, hello.
Sir, last class you completed Heron's formula example or some.
Okay, example sums we have done. So we have to start new chapter then, right?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start with which chapter? Anyone started with any chapter in your class? And we have not done here. Anyone of you can tell me?
Sir, the last class you already started with the third chapter, sir.
Chapter name is?
Sir, you already started the third chapter last class.
Okay, what is chapter name? Third class, this one. Chapter name was?
Cartesian coordinate geometry.
Coordinate geometry we started, huh?
Yes, sir, I started last class and you explained about how to mark everything. And then,
Yeah, exactly. You have sent me also. You children have sent me, correct?
yes, sir.
Azan, you are not there in last class?
Yes, sir. I was not there in last class.
Okay, fine. So right now you have to mark me. You know how to mark line in a graph, Spandana?
Yes, sir, you showed last class.
Suppose if I tell you x plus y is equal to 1, can you make the graph of that line? X plus y is equals to 1 if I tell you. Can you make the graph of a line?
No, sir.
Okay, if I tell you x is equal to 3, then can you make it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'll give 4 questions, 4 to 5 questions right now to everyone. You have to solve and send me back. Okay, I'll just give for the line equation and 4 I'll give for the point equation. Okay, on the WhatsApp itself. Okay, so you have to solve and just send me those answers. Clear? Or you're having a WhatsApp in front of you? Hello.
Sir, I
So
don't
just
know
No,
how
sir.
to do this.
you don't know Rikshit, you are not knowing. Last class you were there, Rikshit, you have sent me this answer
Not
also,
me,
right?
sir. The Siddharth said it.
Siddharth, you were there in last class. Hello, Siddharth. Can you hear me? Hello, Siddharth. Okay, I'm sending right now the questions to you people. Okay, please check your this one, right? So 9A. So draw the line. Just mentioning in the this one. Draw a graph for the following. So x is equals to 3. I'll mention x is equals to 3. Y is equals to -6. Then minus y is equals to 4, minus x is equals to -3, minus x equals to -3. Yeah, children, all of you send now. You can see the question over here. Hello, can you hear me?
Sir, can you show it here? I don't have my mom's phone.
You don't have your mom's phone. Actually, the system is, this is uploading something here in the system. That's why it's sending right now. It's rounds coming the system. Maybe I think updating or what, I don't know. Just you're not having mom's number. Okay, just write down. I'll just tell you, Rakshit.
Okay, sir. 1 second.
X is equal to 3. You can write x is equal to 3. And then you can write y is equals to 6. You're writing
Yes, sir.
minus y is equals to 4. This 3 only you drop.
But sir, x equals to 3, right? After that?
After that, y is equals to 4. Y is equal to 6.
Equals to 6. After that?
And after that, minus y is equal to 4.
Minus 1 equals to 4. Okay, sir.
After this, you have to plot the points on a graph paper. All of you just do and send me back, okay? Plot the points on the graph paper. Plot the points on the graph paper. So questions I'm sending to you right now. 1, 1. Rikshit, you can write 1, 1, 2, 1. Rikshit,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what I'm saying, you can write also 1, 1, because you can't see, right? You are not having WhatsApp. 1, 1. Then you can write 2, 1. I'm writing P. Just 1, 1 you write as P. S you write 2, 1. Okay.
What?
Understood?
What,
Rikshit?
sir? P?
P in bracket you can write 1, 1.
Okay.
Q in bracket you can write 2, 1. Okay.
Why PQ, sir?
Means if you are plotting any point, no, that you
Oh,
name that
okay.
point as P. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And 2, 1 you just make that the point as S. Okay. Then Q you should write it as -3, 0. Q is, sorry, 1 minute. P and S is 2, 1 actually. S is 2, 1. Q is -3, 0. Q is -3, 0. Those who are having WhatsApp, they should not write. Okay. R is -2, -3. R is -2,
Sir,
Azan.
what is R? What is R?
R is -2, -3.
Okay.
And then T is 4, -2. T is 4, -2. 4, -2. Children, two things I have sent to you. One is based on the line and second one is based on the points. Okay. All of you just do and send me back. In 2 graph paper. Okay. In 2 graph paper, you have to send this. Siddharth, can you hear me? You can see the questions what I sent on WhatsApp.
Sir, I don't have graph paper, sir.
Graph paper you don't have. Just do roughly. Then Siddhisri, do roughly on the book.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Clean
I don't
paper.
have a graph book too, so I did it in rough and I'm done. Like the
Okay.
questions
All
you
right.
just gave me.
Fine, fine.
Yeah.
Or sometimes what happen now, old classes if you are there. So in old classes, if you are doing practicals, no, in the last pages you have around 10 graph paper. You can just take those graph paper if you are not using that. Older
Sir,
classes.
what I did is I sold all my books, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So anyone is having that, you can just use last pages. No, you'll get find
Sir,
around 10.
I'll go and buy a graph book tomorrow.
Okay.
Sir, I have my maths exam on the coming Monday.
Which chapters are coming currently or you are not done? Any chapters are
Sir,
there?
number system, polynomials, Heron's formula, and sir, I have one more chapter which is coming.
Which is left out? The chapter, the chapter, you tell me the chapters which we have not done yet.
Okay, sir. Our portion is number system, coordinate geometry, Heron's formula, and polynomials.
I think we have done everything except coordinate part, right? That we are doing right now.
Yeah, so we're doing it right now. Yes, sir.
So revise from starting, okay?
Yes, sir.
If you're having a small doubt also, you just ask me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Anyone has finished? Anyone has done? This will take only 5 minutes work. Aspandana, Azan, you know all this? Azan?
Sir, I just finished the first one.
No, sir, I'm trying it. The
You
second
know,
one, which is
last class you were there, Azan.
no, sir. I was just trying it.
You know all this. If you're trying means if you know, you should try. No, if you doesn't know, how do you try?
Sir, I think so.
You can
Just
do. Okay, you can
yes, sir.
try. I'll show here. If you don't know, I'll show here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I sent it.
Yes, Pandana.
Sir, I sent it. Did you receive it?
Okay, okay, fine. I'll just see once you have sent me, right? I'll check. Yeah, points are all are correct. Points all are correct. X is equals to 3, y is equals to 6, minus y is equals to 4. Yeah, you did all correct. Yes, Pandana, it's all correct only. Spandana has sent me all correct answers. Anyone else? Now try Spandana to find this one graph for equation. Suppose if I tell you x plus y is equals to 2. Okay. X plus y is equals to 2. Then what do you do?
Sir, maybe if then if we think,
Yes, maybe.
sir, if we think that x and y are equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So in that, so do like that.
Wait, I'll show you once. Okay, 1 minute. Children, all of you on the camera now. Children, all of you on the camera. I can see Ajan. Anyone else? Harani, Aman, Siddharth, what about your camera is not working nowadays? Now Rakshit has on. Siddhisri,
Yes, sir.
so have you done in the other book? Other book you have done?
Sir, I'm doing.
Still doing? Okay. You know how to put the points on the graph paper? 2, 1, I told you 1, 1, right?
Yes, sir.
You know how to put points?
Sir, I
Yes,
see my
sir.
graph sheet.
What, Aman?
I
Hi,
sent
master.
the graph sheet.
Okay. Next question was like this. See here, children, all of you. This is a diagram given over here. Okay. This is a diagram given over here. 1 minute, I'll just take it and just write separately if we can do. Yeah. See, what do you know by abscissa and all, you know? So we'll go from question number 1. Children, you can see your, if you're having your NCERT book, that also you can check it out. Exercise 3.2, we are doing question number 2 over here. It's very easy question, see this 3. Try to understand, okay? Very easy questions are there. So first question is coordinate of B. Coordinate of B means first we are writing X, then we are writing Y. See, coordinate of B over here is what? -5, 2. If you see, first of all, you should write X-axis, then we are writing Y on one part, okay? If you see this one is X-axis, slipping line is X-axis, okay? This one is X-axis. So on X-axis, if you see, you will get -5 as X. And Y-axis, if you see, you will get here 2. So your coordinate of point B is -5, 2. Coordinate of B is how much? -5, 2. I'll write here. Coordinate of B is -5, 2. Okay. -5, 2. Siddhi, you tell me for coordinate C if you write. Can you see the coordinate C over here? See this coordinate. What we can write for the C coordinate over here, Siddhi? You should tell me first X-axis wala part. X-axis you should go, then you should go for Y-axis. So from this point, you join X. So this is X. What is this, Siddhi?
X.
So what is mentioned over here? 5, right?
5.
So first we should write here 5, okay?
Okay.
Then you go to Y-axis, the straight line towards, this is your Y-axis. What is mentioned at Y-axis?
5.
-5. Which sign you should tell?
Minus.
Okay.
Minus.
So answer is 5, -5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So like that, you have to tell the coordinates. So I'm writing the answer for C. That is 5, -5. All of you right, children? 5, -5.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the question you have given -x equals to -3. So then we have
Yeah,
to.
it become X equal to 3 only. Same equation. It
Oh,
becomes,
okay.
yeah. By mistakenly, I've given -x equal to -3, but same equation it becomes, right?
Yes, sir.
Now the point identified by coordinate -3, -5. Harini, on your camera.
Oh, yes.
So point identified by coordinate -3, -5. See, -3 is on X-axis, -5 is on Y-axis. Both you meet, what you will get? Which coordinate you are getting? You are getting a coordinate number E. Understood, Siddhi, how to do?
Yes, sir.
So these the questions are very, very easy. Azan, you know all this, right?
Yes, sir.
So -3, 5 is the coordinate of which one? Coordinate of E. E will be there. We can write here E. Next point you see, the point identified by coordinate 2, -4.
Here it's G.
So 2, -4 is nothing but G, correct. So that you should write here G. Abscissa, what do we abscissa here? Abscissa of point D. Abscissa, what do we call abscissa?
X.
X-axis.
X-axis one, yes. The point D you see here, point D is 6, 2. So here abscissa is 6. Abscissa here is 6. If they ask ordinate, the ordinate here is what? What is the ordinate over here?
0. Oh,
Clear?
oh, no, mine.
So abscissa is 6, ordinate is 2. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you can write here only 6, you should write here, only 6. Then ordinate of point H. So ordinate of point H, if you see this one,
-5.
ordinate is
Oh,
what?
no, sir, -3.
You should tell here -3. Coordinate of point L.
0,
Where is
5.
L over here? This
There
is
is a y-axis.
yeah, this is L.
5.
So this
Oh.
is what you're saying?
0, 5.
0, 5. Yes. Coordinate of point M. What is coordinate of point M?
-3, 0.
-3, 0. Yes, -3, 0. So this second question got clear to everyone, right? Now you are moving up. So these answers are given over here. Down answers are given that you can match. Okay. I think there are 2 questions in this exercise. In 3.2, you have 2 questions, I think. Only 2 questions you have. Okay. Now I'll do the questions what I have given to you. Some people are not understanding. Some people have not attended the last class. That's why I'm telling once again here. Simply I'll just make you understand what to do over here. Okay. So I'll make the graph over here. Suppose I told you right now, this is your x-axis. This is negative x-axis. This is positive y. This is negative y. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6 also I should write 5, 6. Here -1, -2. Azan, you understood x equal to 3, how to draw the diagram for this, how to draw the graph.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 3 is graph. This is line or point, Azan?
So it will be a line.
Line. So how do you draw this line? How do you draw this line? So we call it as x is equal to what? 3. Clear? X is equals to 3. It's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now I told you y is equals to -6 or 6. What I told?
Sir, -6.
Y is equals to -6. So here you see y is equals to -6 will be there. Okay, down. So this is -6. So from this point, you have to draw a line parallel to x-axis. So like this, you have to draw a line over here. And this line is what? Parallel to x-axis. Okay. So this line is name it as y is equals to -6. So like this, you have to draw the graph. Anyone having doubt? Harini, you know all
Please,
this,
sir,
right?
I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Why is -5 equals to -6? I still didn't get it.
Which you're not getting? Y is equals to?
-6. They said
Y is equals to -6 you are not getting. So you should
Why?
see on y-axis. You have to check on y-axis where it is -6 will come. That will be below the x-axis, right?
yeah,
So here only will come no -6.
but you wrote x equals to 3, a line parallel to y-axis, right, sir?
Achha, this one you're not understanding why I wrote parallel to y-axis.
Yeah,
So see, this line x equal to 3, this is parallel to which axis? You tell me this is a y only, no? So this line and this line both are parallel to each other, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So if you are drawing any line, if you are drawing x is equal to 3, then this will be parallel to which axis? You only tell me.
Y-axis.
Y-axis. If you are writing here y is equals to -6, this line is parallel to which axis?
Oh, okay.
X-axis, right?
Yeah.
Now why we are just naming this line as x equal to 3? Because on each and every point, if you check here, okay, you will get always x is equal to 3 only. Suppose 3, 1 you get, 3, 2 you get, 3, 3 you get. You will get x is equal to 3 only. Y may differ. Y may differ, but x is always be 3. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Got it.
That's why we name this line as x is equal to 3. Next, why we name x equal to c? Similarly, you can say this one also. Clear to everyone? So like this we have to do. That's all. So moving to the next exercise. Moving to the next exercise. What is there? Let me check. So children, all of you just tell me the answer for this. All of you just message me in a group over here, okay? In which quadrant on which axis? See, last class I given the same question, similar question, not say exactly same. You have to find quadrant or on which axis these points lie. There are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points are there. You have to message me in chat box in which group these all 5 points lies, okay? Starting from 1 to 5, all right? And those who are not getting anything, they can ask me. All of you write in the chat box which all these points are lies on which axis or in which quadrant. Those who are not having knowledge of quadrant or axis, they can ask questions.
Sir, what is quadrant?
Quadrant means like if you are having any this one minute, I'll tell you. See, you are making a graph, no, Azan. So this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Why called this first quadrant? In this quadrant, your x will be positive, y also will be what? Positive. Understood?
The first one is in second quadrant.
I'm not asking anything. You should answer all the 5 at a time in chat box. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
So here you'll get x is negative and y is what? Positive. Like this you have to answer. Understood, Azan? How to find?
Yes, sir.
So depending on x and y, negative and positive things, you have to know that which quadrant it lies. If it is lying on axis, then you should tell axis also, x axis or y axis, depending on the question.
Sir, I sent.
Okay.
I sent to.
Second, fourth. Fourth one you mentioned first quadrant. Okay. 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Spandana also. Spandana, for third one, what you mentioned, Spandana? Spandana, can you hear me? For third one, you have mentioned it as. Tell me third quadrant, Spandana. This one, which quadrant it lies? This lies in which quadrant, Spandana? This lie on x-axis, not in quadrant, okay? Is it clear? All of you can hear me? Harini, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Spandana is not saying anything, that's why I thought what happened.
No, sir.
Spandana, can you hear me? I think she got stuck. Okay, all of you just told me the correct answer only. This one is which quadrant? Second. This one is fourth. This one is x-axis. This one is first. This one is third. Right. So if both are positive or both are negative, then that will be either in first or third. Okay. If one is positive and one is negative, then it's either will be fourth or second. Clear to everyone, children?
Yes.
That's all. That's all. Now question number 2, you see. Okay. So again, I think this is a similar question what they have asked. Plot the points x, y given the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. Choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. You have to choose suitable units, okay? You have to choose suitable units. So simply you can write unit also, right? So here you have to, what you should write? Plot the points x, y given the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. So all of you can draw this. I don't think we should do right now. It's very easy concept. You can do it at home. This is a homework, okay?
So what should we draw?
We have to just plot these points here. Like first one you see, this is -2, 8, right? So this you have to plot this point on the graph paper, okay? So -2, 8, that will come in under which axis? Sorry, under which quadrant will come? This is second quadrant, right?
Yes, sir.
-1, 7, second quadrant again. 0, -1.25.
Sir, that is fourth quadrant.
Minus y-axis. Sir, axis.
Y-axis,
Oh,
right?
okay, y-axis, yes.
1, 3. This is
First quadrant.
3, -1.
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth.
That's all. Second. That's all. You can plot this coordinate. This is this at home. Okay, this is a homework. Question number 3.3 is your homework. Okay. So I think we have finished this exercise. Only one question is there in this. Any more questions? You can check it out in textbook.
Sir,
Questions.
my textbook have only 2 exercises.
Okay, fine.
Sir, even mine.
So same.
This side chapter got decreased. This exercise is not there completely, right? So coordinate, children, if you're having any doubt, you can ask. Just go through it. Just giving you 5 minutes break. Just see the textbook, your knowledge, you can do your class note, whatever you want to see, you can see, check it out. If you're having a small doubts also, you can ask. Right now it's 7:1, okay? So till 7:06, you can ask your doubts. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask your doubts. And if you're not having doubt, we just do quiz based on this coordinate, okay? You just go through it once, children. Those who are absent or those who are done already, you can just go through it, glance once. This chapter was very easy. We have done. Okay. This was very easy, right? Are you going through it or simply on your camera? Don't off your cameras, Rakshit, Aman. If I tell you to revise, it doesn't mean that you off your camera and keep silence over there. If you're not having doubt, I'll ask you a question now. But it's not there for you. X plus y is equal to 2. I told you right now, correct? I told one question that x plus y is equals to 2. How do you do the graph for this? So what you know to do? How to do you know? Shall I teach you this? Anyone know how to draw the graph for x plus y is equal to 2?
Sir, we're learning this in linear equations. It's not part of coordinate geometry.
Yeah, this is not a part of coordinate. Linear equation, 2 variables, right? Aman?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So coordinate geometry, why I'm teaching? Because this is a use of graph. No, that's why I just told you this thing. That's all. Okay. You
Sir,
already did, Aman? You
Sir,
read already?
no, sir. I don't know how to do it. I just know that it'll be it'll be a straight line on a graph.
Yeah. Okay, if you have later on, this we do later on, not a problem. But this is a part, you can say part of coordinate. Okay. Because if you put the value of x, suppose once you put, later on we just study. You are not having the part of this right now. Leave. So let's start the quiz for this. See these three, were having any doubts? You may have doubt. Tell me. See these three.
No, sir.
Not a single doubt you have, right?
No.
Oh. Okay, I'll start the quiz based on this. Right now, 7-5 over. So you have to stop sharing and sharing complete screen now. Okay, complete screen I'll share to you. You do it faster, okay? So you have around 25 questions over here. You have to keep on answer and just keep moving further. Okay, what is this? What I've done? Uh, Closing this, okay. Yeah, children, you can join the quiz now. I think everyone joined. Aman, what you are saying here? Aman. So out of 7, yeah, everyone joined right now, correct? Rikshit, you are having, you can getting the questions. Rikshit.
Yes, sir, I fixed it.
Okay, all right. Yeah, children, those who have done, they can leave for the
Sir,
day.
I'm done. Yeah, okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir, I'm done too.
Everyone has done except Siddharth
Sir,
and
I'm leaving.
Siddhisree, right? Except 2 children. Now everyone has done. Yeah, you can leave for the day. Thank you, children.